Kais literal. Oh, nandito si bro. Big star. High star. Uy, bakit ang dami, laki ng damage niya? 1 reborn pa lang eh. Patay si High star. Okay po, okay po. Sige, sige po. Saan po mag-hunt? Sabihin mo muna ang sarap mo, bud. Di ko din alam si Lucy. Uy, nanood ka bro. Nanood ka bro. Otot naman Marlika, grabe ka naman. Ayos bro. Iba-iba yung ano mo eh. Araw-araw iba yung costume. Sige po. Lang. Pisumin tayo. Sakit. Wala na naman yung internet. Daming tao dito ah. Pwede mo mag-ano dito? Saan tayo mag-viso event? No, ikaw ba yung nag-live sa page ko? Mag-upo.
Been taking it slow, been minding the road, been looking out for every bump and
Salamat po, salamat. Salut sa iyo bro.
I've not even cried, though I'm gonna miss all my family. I'm fine, 'cause sometimes you gotta go to grow. Sometimes you gotta leave to know that yes, you can do it on your own. Sometimes you gotta go to grow. For time, for pain and for pride.
Dayo amoy sibuyas.
Taught what's wrong and what's right. I've got what I need to go and sow seeds, but I won't forget those who love me to life.
Thank you po, 7 viewers.
You gotta go to grow. Sometimes you gotta leave to know. Yes, you can make it on your own. Sometimes you gotta go to grow.
Si C. Henry C. Lala, damage. Ano yun? Sakit nyo na. Tayo na natin yung pick yun. Patay to sa slow. Patay. Salamat.
Sometimes you gotta go to grow.
Shout out.
Sometimes you gotta leave to know.
Shout out kay Ishia.
Yes, you can do it on
Ishia.
your own. Sometimes you gotta go to grow. Sometimes you gotta go to grow. Sometimes you gotta.
Sige po, Ma'am Carmen.
Yes, you can do it on your own. Sometimes you gotta go to grow.
Grabe, lakas na ni guys ah. Uy, tinitira yung 355k na HP niya na madaling mapatay. Uy, patay pala. Ay, siguro lang pumatay. Shoot out, Zedo. Ha. Sige po. Si Glitz, lakas ng Glitz, manhit tayo ng Glitz. Kanina pa na